Welcome, 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 my friend. Okay, I'm so excited to share with you what I have been putting together for you for my holiday offer for Black Friday. And I'm excited that you're going to be the first to get to see it and to access everything. I have put together something called the Six-Figure CEO Success Portal. Now, when you purchase, you are going to get an email that looks like this. There's some information. There's 3 different bundles that you could unlock. And so you're going to get your login information sent to you. And so I am going to log in myself here so that you can see it, see what's inside and what I've put together for you. So because I'm super stoked about this. So when you first log in, they're going to see a welcome message right here from me. On the left-hand side, you're going to see a Start Here section with the Start Here checklist and a housekeeping note. Those are also under the housekeeping tab over here, along with a little bit about me. On the left side here, also you have this section about the bundles. And so there are 3 different bundles, and I'll get to those in a moment. On the right-hand side here, you will see a couple optional add-ons if you would like. One is adding on a package of one-on-one private coaching sessions with me. This is at a discounted rate from what I would charge normally outright for those 3 sessions, okay? This is significantly reduced because you're in the portal. The Tech Mastery Bundle, this includes 2 deep dive trainings, one on Google Workspace and one on Canva. The Google Workspace training goes in depth on all the different apps within Google Workspace, all these different features that you might not realize are there that could be helping you be more focused, be more organized, be on time or save time, and be able to optimize your workflow. Same with Canva. It's a deep dive training into Canva, many features that Canva has that you probably didn't even know about. I certainly didn't even know about them. And these 2 tools combined, or these 2 trainings combined, are there for you. You can watch them on demand, replay them as many times as you want. Personally, I find that really helpful with tech related things, because then I can rewind and say, what did they do? Okay, I got to go back. I missed a step in here. What happened? So that's really helpful for me. I'm guessing it is for you as well. And even more so than if I was attending a class live. The replay is like awesome. So about the bundles, there's 3 different bundles, as I was saying: the starter bundle, the momentum bundle, and the mastery bundle. The starter bundle, this is designed to help you save time, increase productivity, reduce stress, make more money by developing and refining systems that work for your brain and your business. We are going to dive into my Master Your Systems training. And you also get the 6-figure CEO Systems Blueprint to start building stronger, clearer foundation for your business. You will see in the portal here, there's a tab here for the starter bundle. There's a tab for the momentum bundle, and there are 3 tabs for the mastery bundle. The momentum bundle, you have my Organize and Optimize Your Home Office training, Design Your 6-Figure Outdoor Workspace, Transform Your Home Office for Success, Calm the Chaos of Your Digital Workspace. So the Momentum Bundle, when you purchase the Momentum Bundle, you get the Starter Bundle and the Momentum Bundle together. So you get 2. The Mastery Bundle, the VIP Mastery Bundle, this is your full transformative experience. It is the complete, most supportive, most results-driven bundle I have ever created in my life, for one. And of course, it's the most results-driven, most comprehensive, most supportive bundle within this package as well. You're going to get access to my full home office transformation program with 9 deep trainings that guide you through optimizing your physical workspace, simplifying your digital world, strengthening your systems, and stepping fully into your powerful CEO identity. You will see under part 1 is the core training: location, desk position, energy flow, reducing clutter like a pro, office storage and organization, ergonomics and workspace branding, organizing digital files, create your desktop command center, organizing email, calendar and time management, and business organization. The Mastery Bundle also has 6 different bonus trainings as well. how to organize your photos and videos, how to back up your digital systems. There's another Canva training here on social media posts specifically. There's also a Canva training into vision boarding. Create a vision board that inspires you, that helps you focus, that keeps you on target so that you achieve your goals. Discover your money power DNA. This is a money mindset training that helps you unlock your money archetype. Super cool and fun. Mastering networking to make six figures. Networking has been a massively important marketing effort for me, and I've had the highest ROI in my business from networking. That is where I get the most of my clients, is from networking. And so that's why I wanted to make sure that there was a special training specifically on networking for you. And then there's some extra resources here in the Mastery Bundle as well. My Common Competent on Camera checklist and my 6-figure worthy Zoom background ebook. So when you log in, whichever bundle that you purchased, so let's say you purchased the starter bundle, you're going to see under the Momentum Bundle and the Mastery Bundles that there's a little lock sign. So my account right now is set up so that it purchased the Momentum Bundle. So there's no locks next to this, but you will see under the Mastery Bundle, there are locks next to this because this account does not have access to the Mastery Bundle trainings and resources. If you get in here and you're like, you know what, I really would like to see those trainings, or I really would like to have access to that stuff, that was really good, you can upgrade. So in the Momentum Bundle, when you click about the Momentum Bundle, if you have purchased the starter bundle and you would like to upgrade, you can click here and it will take you to a checkout page where you can purchase the upgrade. And so that way you can unlock the Momentum Bundle. Similarly, if you have purchased the Momentum Bundle or the starter bundle and you would like to upgrade right to VIP Mastery, under the About the VIP Mastery Bundle, under the core training, there is a section here. If you are in the starter bundle and want to upgrade to Mastery, click here. If you're in the Momentum Bundle and want to upgrade to Mastery, click here. So I am super excited to share this with you, to get you guys in here. I sincerely hope that these trainings and tools help you be able to grow and achieve the goals that you have as an entrepreneurial woman. So I will be in touch, and I look forward to seeing you in the portal.